So over here you can see that I have the Corel Draw interface opened up right here, and you can see that there are different, let's say for example, icons right here. If I want to go ahead and change the order of them, then I can simply hold Alt on my keyboard and then click and drag them out right here, and then you can see that you can reorder them out. Just go ahead and click and drag, like hold Alt, and then once you go ahead and do this, you can go ahead, click and drag and rearrange it. You can also go ahead and hold Alt and then take it outside right here as well to delete it out as well. Similarly, from the menus as well, you can hold Alt, click and then drag it to rearrange the order of the menus as well, as you can see. So here's the text menu, so you can simply go ahead and hold Alt to simply go ahead and keep the text menu on the right, or you can go ahead and then move the help menu right here, as you can see. So this is what you have right here. So you can see that there's many different options, so you can simply go ahead and then, let's say for example, bring it out from the toolbar and keep it right here as well. So let's say for example, you can go to layout, and then you can go for, let's say, a page background, hold Alt on your keyboard right here, just like this, go around, and then let's say for example, simply go ahead and click and drag this out right here and place it wherever you want, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and change the order of the icons in a toolbar and menu bar as you like inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.